Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we apprise you with the recent important legal developments across the nation. Here are the headlines. Central government notifies rules to regulate online gaming. Delhi Commission for Protection of Child Rights moves Supreme Court. Seeks direction to centre and state to take steps for public awareness about same-sex marriages. Bar Council of Delhi constitutes special committee to draft Advocates Protection Act. Aam Aadmi Party seeks national party status. Moves Karnataka High Court seeking directions to Election Commission. Resume work or face contempt action. 7-judge bench of the Allahabad High Court directs Kanpur Association advocates. Now let's take a detailed look on the headlines. The Union Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has notified the Information Technology Intermediary Guidelines and Digital Media Ethics Code Amendment Rules of 2023, amending the earlier IT rules of 2021, in a quest to regulate online gaming. The new rules require online gaming intermediaries to be a self-regulatory body and exercise due diligence by informing its rules and regulations, privacy policy, or user agreement to the users periodically. It is also required to appoint a Chief Compliance Officer, Nodal Contact Person, and a Resident Grievance Officer, among several other requirements that the new rules require them to fulfill. The Delhi Commission for Protection of Child Rights moved the Supreme Court seeking an intervention in batch of petitions pending before it, and sought for directing the central and state government to take necessary steps for public awareness of same-sex marriages. DCPCR in its plea said that the centre and state should make people aware as to how same-sex family units are as normal as heterosexual family units, and specifically that children belonging to the former are not incomplete in any way. The Bar Council of Delhi constituted a special committee for drafting Advocates Protection Act. The move comes after the murder of Advocate Virender Narwal in Dwarka, who was shot dead by 2 assailants in broad daylight, and after protests for several days by advocates across Delhi. The committee will be headed by former BCD chairman Advocate K.C. Mittal. Aam Aadmi Party, which is currently recognized as a state party in the state of NCT Delhi, has moved Karnataka High Court and sought for directions to the Election Commission of India to grant the party the status of a national party under the Election Symbols, Reservation and Allotment Order of 1968. The plea by the political party comes only a few weeks before the election in Karnataka are due on May 10, 2023. The High Court has directed the Election Commission to decide in the matter before April 13th, after AAP contested that the ECI was not deciding on its request. A 7-judge bench of the Allahabad High Court, comprising the Chief Justice Pritinkar Devakar and 6 other justices, issued a notice to the Kanpur Bar Association advocates to resume work or face contempt of court action. The advocates have been boycotting court since March 25th, after an incident of misbehavior by a district judge with lawyers. The High Court noted that the apex court in the case of ex-captain Harish Uppal versus Union of India has held that lawyers do not have a right to go on strike or give a call for boycott, and so the lawyers will be liable to face contempt action if they do not resume work. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum, and subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.